Don't hit the dog! Welcome back to BA Performance. Thanks for watching the episodes on this moped that I'm going to give to my mom. As you see in the last episode, we put new tires on it. So now all we got to do is put the chain back on, drain the old oil, put some new oil in it, and bolt the pieces back on. And it's pretty much ready to go. First thing I'm going to do is drain the oil. I think not only is the oil 40 years old, but some of the gas, I think, has gone into the crank chamber because I've seen some dripping out the bottom. So we're going to drain it out and see what the gas looks like. So to drain the oil, on the very bottom there's a large flathead screw. We're going to go ahead and remove that. There is a screw on the bottom, basically the same as the one on the top. It's time to add some new oil. We want to put the plug back in the bottom first. And then since I don't have a funnel, as small as that little hole there, what I'm going to do is take a page here from Handy Magazine and make it into a paper funnel. And you do that just by wrapping it up like that. It's actually still a little too big, so we'll cut it down. Okay, you can see the funnel there. And we're going to fill oil until it comes out of this hole. Okay, there is oil coming out of the hole now. We'll plug it up. That only took approximately 250 milliliters, so not a lot of oil in there. So next we'll be putting the chain back on, so I gotta clean it up and get it out of this oil. to get your chain hook back together, and you use these here to adjust the tension. And you don't want it too tight and you don't want it too loose, and you want to make sure you get it set the same on both sides. And we'll put the side guards back on. I'm going to pull it down from the table, and if it still runs, we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, while it warms up, we'll set up some lights outside. Woo! Zipper! So we'll have to adjust the front brake here a little bit so that the light works and the horn works. We're going to wash it up and give it to my mom. Okay, we got the moped here running. We got our dish to pass in the back. So we're going to ride it the quarter mile over to Mom's house and see if we can get a reaction from her. Here we go. What do you think? Recording you for my YouTube video.
Great. Did my hair?
It's fine.
Oh my gosh, that is sweet.
Yep, made it all the way over.
Without blowing the tires. Are those new tires?
New tires, yep.
Afraid of it.
Well, get on. Well, I can put it in the driveway a little for you. Don't worry, it's not fast at all. Push it forward a little bit.
Okay.
There you go, and then just give her a little throttle. Nice and easy.
Where's the throttle?
This one. Just twist it a little bit. Don't hit the dog! No, just give it gas and don't give it gas. All right, Teron, come back. Well, you got. It's old. That's what's the matter with it.
We should have pulled the fluff off before she crashed.
Oh, it's gonna break down now. You have to pedal back up.
Yeah. What is that there? The
GoPro.
oh, GoPro. Oh, okay.
Got a whole series
Oh,
for
okay.
this thing coming out. So.
Oh, okay. Okay.
If the light goes off, then you know it died.
Died. Yeah.
Nope, dead. Now you gotta push it home.
Yeah. That's the fun part. So she don't know how to start it.
Where'd she
I
go?
don't think so. She's way down at the end.
Yeah, that's her.
You gotta pedal backwards. Oh, she got it running.
I'll get her all set.
So that light just comes on when it.
Yeah, I didn't find a battery. I didn't pull the seat off or nothing, but. Well, there's an off.
Oh, is there supposed to be a battery in there?
Usually things with lights on it have batteries, you know, but.
Yeah. Not
Now she's cruising.
Yeah. That's getting brave.
Yeah, you just gotta get her warmed up a little bit.
How do I stop it?
You just stop.
How do I stop it? You should have found out that before you got
That's the
over.
first thing you do.
And then just to turn it off, the engine stop. Turns it off.
Oh, that's cool. Okay.
Mom got her moped. She seems thrilled about it. I'm happy that it worked out. I think Don and Gertie would be happy too. Thanks for watching this episode. Have a Merry Christmas. Like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, and peace out.
Broadcast Performance is what it stands for.